In a decade, our children will be asking how we survived before AI.
Everyone owns a toaster, but you never see a toaster advertisement.
It actually is possible for most people to be smarter than average. What's not possible is for most people to be smarter than the median.
Drive-through ATMs have Braille instructions.
A power cord is an electric hose.
Someone who knew you from a long-distant past will only know the you that you know no longer exists.
People are afraid of being cloned using DNA they've given. But most people wouldn't be worth cloning because of their DNA.
We are in some of the last ages of videos being able to be used as evidence.
The more things are taken from people, the easier it is for them to revolt.
Famous people have to live with the knowledge that total strangers obsessively fill rooms with posters of them.
There is 2 reasons why people stop arguing with you. Either you have won the argument or they cannot comprehend the stupidity coming out your mouth. Most of us think the latter.
We always hear about how fast cheetahs can run, but no one talks about how fast they can stop.
30 seconds is a lot faster at a crosswalk than it is on a microwave.
People interested in dating older people have a constantly shrinking dating pool, while those interested in dating younger people have a constantly growing dating pool.
Sperm whales come from whale sperm.
Warm water feels less wet than cold water.
A well-tossed salad is how you want to eat it, but you'll never get it served that way because looks are everything.
Since it's impossible to be aware of being dead, and we have no awareness before our birth, from our point of view we are immortal, we never have and never will experience not being alive.
All safety regulations are a result of an accident.
Now for a quick break, stay tuned for more shower thoughts. The real threat of AI isn't that it will achieve consciousness and intelligence greater than that of human beings. The real threat is that it will achieve consciousness and intelligence on the level of a juvenile human being.
Cheesecake is more of a pie than it is a cake.
Dolphins are dogs of the sea.
It's faster to send a file from your phone across the continent and back to your PC than to use Bluetooth.
It's quite amazing that after 200 years since the first photograph was taken, smiling for the camera is still a thing.
Arms on chairs are chairs for your arms.
John Wick takes no fall damage.
Chicken nuggets in dinosaur shapes are made out of dinosaurs.
Most people continue to abide by the law after it becomes tyrannous.
Sooner or later, we're going to have an AI that detects other AI works. I'm Bob Jeffy.
And I'm Lorelei Stewart. Thanks for listening, and we'll be back tomorrow with more shower thoughts. Bye for now.
This podcast was produced by Klassic Studios. Please see the show notes page for source credits.